So we made a decision. We are quitting the wedding business. But we have still 5 weddings left. So this is our current estate, Vanagų vienkiemis, nestled in the middle of the forest in Lithuania. We've been living here for 4 years, and also we are running a wedding venue here, which is kind of successful. And on the paper and from the outside, it looks like paradise, which kind of truly is, and we are truly blessed to be living here. It's so magical, it's so serene. We have no neighbors. Sometimes we don't see a human soul in weeks, except when we need, to go for groceries, which we are trying to do as less as possible. But running an estate for humans is quite exhausting. And I'm not talking about just the physical labor here, like constantly washing, cleaning, moving the furniture, and organizing everything. It's just very demanding. And it's difficult to continue. We were renovating for 4 years now, and we are just simply full-time contractors here. And while it's really nice to see your vision coming to life, it takes a lot of resources, not only time, energy, also money, but physical labor isn't even the hardest part. Like, the worst part is psychological. You must live a year, or sometimes even more than a year in advance. You hold each couple, each question, each email, each request in your head, and it's really mentally paralyzing. Answering emails, answering questions that have been answered on our website, but everyone wants a direct answer from you. And educating, oh my god, so much educating. Like, you must tell them everything, so like everything is on our shoulders. Wedding venue is, a thing that combines everything from your wedding, your guests, you, your vendors, weather. Oh my god, the weather! Our venue is successful highly because of our outdoor space, and everyone wants to celebrate open air. So we are like kind of responsible for weather. We are living like all this time from reservation. We are anxious how the weather will be. We are living on the weather apps. We are creating backup plans, and like everything's on our shoulders. And like, come on, we cannot control the weather. I am an elf, but I am not a storm druid yet. So communication, actually my biggest nemesis. I just... I can't deal with humans. No, no, no. It's exhausting. And we are tired. So, we made a decision. Quite unreasonable and irrational one. We are quitting the wedding business. And now we are officially declining all the reservations for next year. Yep. We are escaping the wedding industry that actually is quite uncontrollable and toxic nowadays. And we are leaving this golden cage. But we have still 5 weddings left this season. And then, oh boy, then we are free. And me, I can become a full-time forest elf crafter. And I have so many projects on my list and my boards and my brain cells. I am a crafter. I must craft. My fingers are itching to do something, to create something. Yeah, here I'm creating many things, but usually it's not on my terms. And we started wedding business like because I wanted to decorate. So I'm creating all the decor, but as I said, it's not like always on my terms. And you know, sometimes people want a gorgeous Pinterest forest wedding, and they have a very basic budget. And we, being such weaklings, very often we make promises like, yeah, we can achieve something similar. And then we are doing long projects just for pennies. But financial situation is not the biggest lever here. Actually, it's because it's just very demanding. So, if you want to follow a diet elf, just having the last responsibilities of the wedding season and reclaiming her peace and her creative path, feel free to subscribe. Actually, I wanted to wait with this video until we finish the season, but then I say, no, let's do it just now, and how it will be, whatever. It will be done, because I am a perfectionist, and you know, I can wait until I will be super ready and everything will be perfect, but lately I'm transforming myself, not only from the inside, but also becoming an elf. Bye. attracted to our venue the couples that are quite amazing and very nature loving and, not very much bridezillas, although some micromanaging brides really gets on nerves. Each couple, each